Edwin Ruud pioneered the first automatic storage water heater in 1889, earning him a gold medal at the St. Louis World's Fair in 1904. And that pioneering spirit? Well, it's defined us ever since. A commitment to rugged toughness, a determination to push past the status quo, a belief in getting the job done right. That's why we build long-lasting reliability and performance into every air and water product we make, for homes and businesses, around town and around the world. Intelligent products and heat pump technology, all put through some of the toughest testing and backed by the best warranties. We do things the Ruud way, delivering the highest standard in everything we do. Serving our customers with industry-leading products, providing support and service with a dedicated network of Ruud professionals that get the job done right, delivering sustainable solutions for our planet and for our future. We do all this and more for one simple reason. Because people the world over, for well over 100 years, rely on Ruud. And we plan to keep it that way.